manje amasuzuka afunani la. Hey Nkosi yami. Ama-GAC. Ayazini bafethu Sly Mastercars. Danko. Congratulations to one of the ladies who bought this car. This is the new Tiguan 2024 model. The car is massive. The car is beautiful. The technology in the car is on another level. Congratulations, my sister. Anyways, if you are at home and you're interested in a VW, hit me up. Ngizokudibanisa nabantu ufumana imoto ifunayo, yabona? Sibonge. Nansi mana kwethu. Today I'm reviewing 2024 Polo Vivo. After this car is beautiful, it's clean, ihlanjiwe. This is how your car is gonna look like if you keep it clean. On the side, you get your standard wheels that come with full rim covers. Wow, plastic. It has got black door handles, and they match with the mirrors, the side mirrors. At the back, what is added now is that Vivo, which is below the VW badge. I love that touch. Let me tell you what the car has to offer on safety and security. Polo Vivo comes with central locking system, meaning it can lock itself as soon as you take off without you locking the car. 2 airbags, that's the driver and the passenger. If you are sitting at the back, I am sorry. There's a child lock for people with kids, high level brake light, and there are daytime running lights. A new feature which was not there on the old Polo Vivo are the fog lamps. I want to commend VW for putting fog lamps in the new VW. I mean, fog lamps, Bafetu, are a nice touch in a car. Everyone with a car can attest to that fog lamps, they are needed in a car, just for beauty. When you open the boot, you have to push in the VW badge and you see your boot. The boot space with the seats up, you get 280 liters of boot space. But if you fold the seats, you fold them inside, you will get 952 liters of boot space. I apologize, I couldn't get a chance to fold the seats, but I hope you imagine what I'm talking about. One thing about VW, they will give you a proper spare wheel. It's not even a spare wheel, it's a wheel. You get this toolkit. One thing I don't like about that one is the jack. But story for another day, hey? You know, in every car, there will be that one thing that will disappoint you. For me, with the Polo Vivo, is the windows. They are not electrically controlled. You have to roll that thing, run and run and run. I mean, I have a fit. Come on, man. This is my sitting position at the back when the seat is adjusted to my driving position. There's enough leg room. The seats are standard seats. It's not your leather that you get. And there is no armrest. Yo, a fit 2024. Why not have armrest? Aye, man. Now here are the interior features. In front, you can control the rear wiper. You can control the windshield wipers as you should. Steering wheel is a power steering wheel. You get manually controlled air conditioning, 2 cup holders, a multi-function display, which is the display has been upgraded from the outgoing model. Front door pockets. At the back you don't get the pockets. When I say pockets, I mean a cup holder on the doors. When it comes to the display, you can app connect, meaning you can do your Android Auto or you can do your CarPlay. It has got 4 speakers. These are standard speakers. If you want to upgrade them, I'm sure you know a guy that knows a guy, you know what I'm saying. With the radio, guys, with the display, you can play your radio. It is a 9-inch display. You can play via Bluetooth, you can do USB, and you can make calls. Here, this was just me trying to play around the screen, and trust me when I say the screen is very responsive. Like, it responds quickly. You put your finger, it's like you're using your cell phone, your touch cell phone. I love that. I love the fact that there are no troubles. You don't have to press and wait 2 seconds. No, it responds right now. It's easy to navigate through. The icons are clear. It's easy. Okay, right now let's talk about the engine. The engine has got 4 cylinders. It is a 1.398 liter capacity, which you may know it as 1.4 liter engine. The transmission is a 5-speed manual. The performance has got a power output of 55 kilowatts, 130 newton meters of torque. The consumption fuel here is 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers. Actually, it's a very standard car. Just want to say that if you know that it is your dream, it is your wish to own a VW car, hit me up and let's talk. Thanks to the lady on the screen, she has helped me in so many ways on my car journey. She got me the best deal I could ever get on my Baleno. Thank you, Siswam. If you also want to get a best deal, hit me up, bafethu. Khuluma nami bafethu, succeed. Asibonge.